Mini mode 666. A band mode, some say, is created to play evil games and mind tricks on you to turn you over to the dark side.
Ay, gusto mo?
No?
So far, there are only 4 game modes in Gorilla
Nagtaka na,
Tag:
Biggie.
Casual, Infection, Paint Brawl, and Hunt.
But what
Di
if
ba
there
Augusto?
was a fifth one? A game mode so
Kailan?
terrifying that any
26.
players who have found
Ito
it
lang.
were never heard from
26
again.
lang.
So to find the
Uy.
map of game mode
Ay,
666,
isang
first,
lang.
we have to join a code filled with a bunch of 6s. Alright, we're now in a code filled with 6s.
Now there's a couple more things we have to do to unlock this hidden game mode. Okay guys, so if I'm right, we need to go to the lowest point in Gorilla Tag. But as we're going over there, we need to be super careful because this code is still super dangerous. It's full of 6s and we don't know what can happen. I'm pretty sure the lowest point in Gorilla Tag is OT Caves because we have to go down the wind tunnel and then even further down into mine. Alright, let's go check it out and see what happens.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, can one of you guys go first this time? Or am I going first again?
You're going first again, bro.
No, you're ugly. Go first. Oh my gosh, bro, every time.
Okay, let's stick together, guys.
Look, we're not even in the game mode yet. We're just in the creepy codes. We should be fine, bro. Yeah,
What's supposed to happen in game mode 666?
Yeah, I have literally no idea. Crazy stuff, bro. Your game, all the lights are gonna go super dim. You won't even be able to see. It'll be horrible. And there's monsters in there that you can't even think of, bro. It's gonna be crazy.
What the?
Where did you find this code, bro?
Yeah, where did you hear about this?
I was just scrolling through a Reddit page on Gorilla Tag, and I found this one post, and I was looking through it, and he was talking about it, but that's all I could find. He didn't really give much info, so I'm really just doing this on our own here.
So weird. Was there like pictures?
So there was a couple pictures. It showed a picture of the game mode selection saying the word 666,
What
and then it
the?
showed a picture of the game. It's like a real demon.
Like this game mode selector?
Yes, bro, it said 666 on the sub game.
What the? I didn't even know that was possible.
Yeah, bro, are you sure he wasn't like editing the pictures or something?
Yeah, what if they're just
I
fake?
don't know, bro. That's why we're here to test it, though.
Okay, I guess that's true.
Yes.
Alright.
Do you have any idea what we're supposed to do once we get down to the
Ang
caves?
brand
Yeah,
new
what are
kasi
we
ng
looking
ano niya.
for?
Peke
We need to
kayo.
do, we need to go
May
down
peke din
into
dalawa.
the lower
Yung
caves.
peke niya
We need
nasa
to get
3,000.
I don't know.
3,000. Brand new
Let's
naman.
grab the key card and let's just go
Pero ang
down.
second hand niya nasa 5K to
Alright,
7.
you have them like written down or something?
Pero yung ano,
Okay.
What's the crazy part is it says deleted user on the Reddit post. So I don't know what happened to this
Got
guy.
like banned or something? Maybe they got hacked from the game mode.
I don't think about that, bro. I don't think it happened.
Yeah, me neither, man. Alright. Through. So all the way down?
Yeah, we have to get down to the lowest possible. Okay, I don't think this is the lowest point. I think we have to go a little bit deeper. So keep going.
Okay, come on, Chase. We gotta stick together in case something happens.
Ang kulit ng
Literally,
baby.
nothing is the lowest point. Okay, so we need to find the lowest
So
point.
ng
And I
baby,
think a
ano?
better bet
Mamamatay na nanay
would
mo,
be
hindi ko
in
na
the
kaya eh.
darkest point too. So let's just.
Paano
I think
mo
it's
mamamatay?
pretty dark, and I think there's literally no getting lower than that, right?
Yeah, I think this whole map is like the lowest spot.
Okay, there's nothing in here. It's way too dark. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything.
Okay, so what's the first step that we have to
Okay,
do?
so let me read. Alright, what we need to do is we need to go into the game files. So open up Unity Explorer and we need to change a couple settings. Okay, so first you need to go into your game files. Open up the file Day-Night Manager. You need to go into that and you're going to change the daytime to 6:6.
Oh, I swear something was just there. Do you guys have it to 666?
Yeah.
Alright, do you guys want to check if the game mode selector's changed?
Yeah. Let's go see.
Okay, is that every step to this?
Yeah, that's all the steps I can
Kasi gusto
see.
niya
But, listen, there's a couple more posts, but I can't really find them. I'll see if I can find them.
Dalawa
Okay,
kami.
let's go up and let's see if this works.
We were at the lowest point. We were at the lowest point, and it was the darkest spot. And I think we did
Sa
everything.
kanya naman
Yeah, it
kasi
should have
dapat
worked.
eh.
Should be right.
Binenta
Let's go
niya
see.
ng
I mean, I hope it works, but I don't want it to work too, bro. Because like that's gonna be so scary if it's a 666.
Yeah, that's true.
I hope it works for the video, but me personally, I
Gusto
do
mo
not.
naman pellet.
I think it has a pretty good chance of working because we did go into the game files and change something, so maybe that's gonna add a secret game mode.
Saw something like as soon as we
Parang
walked out of
ano ah.
that like cage area.
Ano ba ilalabas
I
sa kanya?
don't even know what I'm saying. It was as soon as we walked the game selector too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Malinis
I
na
saw
nga yan,
it.
isa eh.
Watching it.
Kumpara sa dati mo electric
Yeah,
yan
ready.
eh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ano nang lagay?
It's just regular.
It didn't work.
Wait. Okay, Cannon, what if you went on... You said that there's posts that you couldn't really read. Maybe you can go back on them and, like, maybe there's something else
Ano,
that we have to
7
follow.
days.
Alright, let me check them out. Wait, okay, wait. Look, I'm finding something right here.
Siyempre
Okay,
pa
there's a
mga
comment.
time
It's
to
from the same guy, the deleted user. Okay, let me look. He said he ran out of
Yang
words
kasi
on the
mga
first
jackpot
post. How does that
lang
even
yan.
happen?
Kasi yun na yung
I don't think that's
pinakatuto.
possible. Okay, so he commented, must change your name
Original,
to
nasa
666
25,
in your
35,
color code to
depende sa laki.
666.
Oh.
He said only one person can do it.
Okay, so who's gonna do it?
Dali mo kay Boss Toyo yung mga rare, yung mga...
Not me.
Nag-iisa
Okay,
lang.
you know what, I'll do it. So, change my color to 666, right? Alright. Everything's ready. Is that all that you can see on that post?
That's all that there is. I think that's the last thing too. So if this doesn't work, I don't really know what else to do.
Okay, so we already have it set to 666. Maybe we just have to go down.
May makukuha ka naman sa
Tapos
isa.
ano, kaya nga
Nakaano ba si Tito
Alright,
Ben?
let's go
Tito
look.
Ben?
Bro,
Hindi siya
if only
makakompleto.
Kate did it,
Disability
then
na
what's
kukuha.
gonna happen? Like, is it gonna
Ano
affect
siya
all three of
nakakuha?
us?
Di siya
Man,
nakakuha
I don't
36
know. I
months?
think because we're in the game,
Di siya
we're
nakakuha
all
ng
the game
36
together,
months?
so I don't
120
wanna
months
change it for
talagang
everyone.
regular, di ba?
We already
Yeah.
changed our,
Hindi,
we
36
changed
lang.
our game settings, so we should be fine.
Yeah, everybody put in 666. So,
Kaya
I
disability
think I
na
left
siya,
the
hindi
key card at
talaga
the door.
yung
We don't have to
pension
get it again.
na
Okay, let's go.
It's not here. Open. We're fine. It's open.
Okay.
Hindi, makakakuha ka pa rin
Okay,
din
so
yan.
did you see anything else on the post, or was it just like it gets darker?
Okay, so in the game
Birth
mode,
certificate
there's
ko pa.
horrifying entities.
Wala.
In the game,
Tapos,
it's super dark. You can barely
Ano, wala?
see.
wala
And
siya.
the last
Tapos sa
thing
birth
is
certificate
this
ko,
game
iba
mode
pangalan ni Papa.
slowly drives you insane. So you get
Ba't
stuck
hindi mo
Ben,
pa
Radan
Oh my
yung
God,
road.
is there a way out?
I don't know, bro.
Ba't hindi mo pa yun noon inayos?
Nami Antibac
Parang
Sayang yun.
has more nutrients than other multivitamins.
Find a way out, or else we'll get stuck, bro.
grabe ka naman.
Okay, let's go do this.
Oo, ang
Alright,
likod yun.
Chase. We have to
Bab,
wait here.
sipon!
You
Asa
can't
yung
go
ano
by
niya?
yourself.
Sana
Pamunas.
wag naman magaya kay
The
kakak
whole
namin
process again, just
ADHD.
in case.
Wait, so I go in here, and
So
then what else
yucky.
is there to do? I
Nasa
already
yung
set
bag?
the setting. I'm just gonna go, okay, I'm just gonna go in there, and then I'm gonna
Kasi-
come out, and we're gonna see if it works.
Sino? Kakak may
Come
ADHD?
on, come on, come on, come
Sobrang
on.
likod.
Parang meron yan.
Pico, grabe yun. Gantong ano pa lang. Gapang-gapang. Tapos lagi kong napapalipad. Di wala pa
Ayun,
follow.
parang meron yan.
Think
Tapos
that should
umabot
work.
ng
My name
ano
is
nagtatrabaho
666.
ko. Mga ano siya nung
666.
kaliputan
I have
din.
no
Mga
cosmetics.
4-3,
I think we've
ganyan.
done every step.
Biniblender niya yung kamay niya dun sa ano. Naglulugo na. Natutulog ako. Pasok na uli. Napakalapit
I don't want
ng
it to
dito.
work, dude. I'm kind of curious on
Sabi
what's
si
gonna
Tito
happen.
Boy, na-stress yan dati. Lalakad sa labas, hindi niya mahabol. Nakubad-ubad.
Okay.
Ay, kung yung Kiko, sige kakak. Buti nga, ano na siya eh.
I want to
Formal na siya.
I'm scared of what we're gonna see.
Tapos daw,
I do
na
not
ano
actually
mo,
know.
nautosan mo.
Me neither.
Minsan, natural din siyempre.
Oh, I can open.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna look.
Wow, I can
3,
open now.
2,
Ano mabait.
1. What the? Okay.
Nakibalita ka na.
Ay!
It doesn't say
Ow,
666
ow,
yet.
ow, ow, ow.
Really should have worked. Why didn't it work? Dude, maybe we're still missing something. Just check the post.
Ba't hindi kasi loadan si Paling?
Yeah, check the post.
Let me look at the original post. Hold on. Wait,
Bawal
guys, I
lang
think I know
ang
what we're doing wrong.
hospital.
It says in the post that he was in the stump whenever he looked at the game mode, and that's where it was.
Hindi naman pipicturan.
Huwag lang magpahalata, no?
Here's in the stump.
Okay.
Kami na.
Try to
kami
stop.
Do it again, bro. What if it
Try to
works?
stop.
Okay, I mean, there's only one way to find
Yung
out.
baby.
Crazy. I
Mami
don't
ko
even know if I
happy.
want to find out. It's like,
I
if this
want.
happens, I don't even know what could go wrong.
Yeah.
Magsiselos ka na.
Want
See if
baby
it
sister?
works.
Hindi nga, baby sister
Alright,
ang
let's
gusto niya
see.
babae.
No,
3,
baby brother.
2,
No baby boy?
Anong baby
what
po?
the?
Baby brother?
I need this caca.
I think, oh. Yes, baby.
Ate kaka, it's not...
Wait, are we already in the game mode?
Oo, it's your kuya eh.
Wait.
He
Usually,
is, ano,
no.
big boy now.
Usually,
boy
whenever
now?
you join a game
Nabobobo.
mode, like, because we already joined this lobby on casual,
Minsan ayoko na siyang pagalitan.
Maybe we have to join a different code, because now we have it unlocked.
Ang hirap makapag-argue sa'yo.
Join that on game mode at 666.
Hindi ka ba marunong mag-Tagalog?
Broken.
Alright, 3, 2,
Siguro masasampal ka ng kaklase mo.
Hindi na ako siya
what
nakikita
the?
eh. Wala akong gusto makipagbalan sa kanya. Yes lang ng yes eh.
Babansagan ka ng mga klase mo. Englisher.
666, bro. Okay, so what's supposed to happen in the game mode again?
We're finding monsters. I think we
Your head.
have to find a way out. I don't think we can just leave from here. Should we test it?
Ito yung mga ano, hindi mo talaga maiiwan basta-basta eh, no?
Oh.
Wait, Chase, can you leave?
Ano yung sahig nyo, ano rin,
Ay,
malambot.
ay, ay, ay.
Tay,
That's
nag-ano.
it.
Tay, hindi, wala pa akong bug.
When does this monster start appearing?
I don't want it to appear. But
May
we need to do
tambol.
is find a way out. We're slowly
Naka-oxygen,
gonna start going
kinuha
right
na
to
siya
our
ng
first
dugo.
phase. Let's go, bro.
Oh.
We have to move fast. All right. Let's
So,
go.
okay.
Come on, come on, come on. All right, bro. All right, let's go.
Hey, hey, stop,
Tapos,
stop,
Bro,
stop.
everything
Yun
will be
lang.
so much
Stop,
easier,
stop,
bro.
stop.
Isang oras
It's
yan.
mine.
Bro, we gotta pay attention to that. This game does not look normal, bro.
Okay, am I allowed to... I guess I should just leave my
Naka-oxygen lang.
666, or should I change it back?
Yeah, I don't know what
Ay,
happened.
tutubo na rin yan lately. Nag-ano
Yeah,
yung
bro.
ano.
What if you switch it and then we
Nagtatawag
can
ng
literally
taga-turbo boys. Turbo boys na tawag
That's
doon.
true. So,
Mga dalang
is there like
ano.
an actual monster here? Is that
Akala ko
just
kasi
like
ang
the
turbo,
longer you're in here,
yung
like
ba? Yung pala yun lang
crazier you get?
pambuka.
Is it just
Pambuka
like
lang yun.
hallucinations?
That could be
Tug
it.
talaga yun yung ano,
Hey,
silicone.
come on, this. Come on.
Okay, we should go
Pero
look for
kita
other
ko
routes.
yung mga ako papa.
And something like that.
Nagpo-purple siya sa harap ko. Nag-ano siya. Akala ko yun na yung huli. Umulit na hanggang 6
Maybe
times.
it, like,
Nang-
in this code, it
Ganyan,
locks all the
sugod,
computers, so we
critical,
have to-
tapos
we have to find a
lalakas.
different way.
Pero itong
Alright,
huli,
so what maps
ano
we go
na,
to first, bro?
pero
I mean, we
lumakas
have
pa
the
ako
Ether
dito
goes around where we need.
Yeah, that's true.
Just get out of this now.
Tapos bumababa, nagluloko na rin ng mga
Canyons?
vital. Siyempre, mga dugo-dugo niya,
Wait,
bumababa
there's
rin.
like a monster hiding there, bro.
Ba't sabi mo sa autosat, walang lumalabas? Sino yun?
I mean, I'm
Ang
pretty
autosat.
we can check the
Cemeter.
city computer. There's one of them.
Sira ako simeter mo. Hindi accurate yun.
I just saw it.
Okay.
Fast first.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, where's the
Kasi
computer?
pag wala na yun, wala rin dito dapat yun.
I don't know if there's a computer.
Kasi doon mo
Maybe
makikita
let's try the basement one.
oxygen,
Yeah, there we go there.
Okay, come on, guys.
Yung wala to,
heartbeat.
I swear I heard like the last 10 minutes or something. Hey guys, bro, is it just me or something weird happening in this game mode, dude? I don't feel right, bro.
Getting like, getting like goosebumps,
Yung
bro.
mga yun.
Ito balat to,
I mean,
Kiko?
ever since we joined, it's just
Astig. Ang
Hey,
dami
the
ng
computer's
balat.
right
Sa
here.
puwet
You guys want to
meron.
try real
Oh.
quick? Try pressing the
Boy
button.
balak to.
Parang ko yun.
Boy
Si
balak.
Kakak dito, di ba?
Boy, oh, yung heart. Tanga yung heart na
Meron
rito.
hanggang ngayon, lumaki na nga eh. Parang tattoo.
Yung heart na, no.
Bro, I don't know. I just want to get out of here. Bro,
Boy balak.
be in this map anymore.
Boy balak.
Boy bala, boy bala.
Balat!
You say balat.
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 Magaling magbasa ng Tagalog, pero hindi niya alam meaning.
Again, school, Tagalog.
You know how to read. Ay, ano ba yung Kiko? Nakakahinga ka pa ba?
Maganda ako.
Ako?
Pangit ako.
Bro, I swear.
No?
Ang laki ko nag-upload ko ako sa'yo. Ba't yun? Nasa save more ka.
We're starting to hallucinate
Bibili
already.
kasi ng spaghetti dito.
We haven't even been here long.
Ngayon may mag-asawa sa harap niya. Kasi kasama ko siya eh. Laging kasama eh. Eh, nakatalikod yung babae. Tapos humarap ng ganyan. Nilapitan niya yung babae. Alam mo kung ano sabi niya? Hey, why you so ugly? Alam mo, karipas ka na!
True, that's true.
Oh, is this a
Do
true?
you guys have
Uy,
any
wag
other
yun.
ideas
No,
on how to
hindi
get
ko
out of
natignan
here?
sa mukha
Like,
yung
what if all the
babae.
computers are locked?
Na, hiya ako. Hindi ko alam sirang-sira siguro yung araw ng babaeng yun.
Tira ka?
Tinitignan niya talaga, malayo pa kami. Hindi niya matiis nilapitan niya. Hindi ko, baka may something siyang nakita sa mukha, may balat, o peklat, diba?
Napaka-prangka mo naman.
Tapos sabi ko, why do you say that? Sabi niya, I'm just telling the truth. Gumagano na.
Yeah, maybe we can just
I'm
leave.
telling the truth.
It'd be a lot easier.
I mean, mountains and
I'm telling the truth.
up, so maybe.
Tapos may bata, parang ano. Kasi nakapila kami, di ba, meron kami discounts pag kami PWD.
Ba't may ID ba yan?
Oo, meron. Tapos, may bata. Ano, parang, ano yun, siya, di ba nakikipag-connect pa sa
Cellphone.
mundo? Yan, nakakausap mo siya, ganyan, sabi siya. Eh, yung bata talaga, as in, yung parang malayo yung mundo, yung wala siyang pakialam. Mayaman eh, tapos pabuka-buka ka pa, mga kailang, kinakausap mo. Tapos yung nanay, sabi niya, Doktor, ganyan. Hindi siya pinapasko. Sabi niya, hey, why you always cellphone? Sabi niya dun sa cellphone ng cellphone, yung batang parang wala siya sa sarili, pero mukhang mayaman.